Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, we are going to repot our cuttings. So if you will double check, the date on this Tupperware is 19th of July. Is it clear? 19th of July. All right. So this would mean to say that it's already more than 3 days, and this is now ready to be repotted. So this is the side where you can see it's already callus off there. So by the way, this is a ghost plant, and this one you can see it's already callus off. This one is already callus off, and this one is called Adolphie. So, and just to inform you guys, this just came today. This is this is what we call cocoa peat. So this is what they normally advise to use, because whenever you pour water inside, it's easy to evaporate, and it won't cause your plant to be easily get rotted. So today, as promised, we're going to uh, repot our cuttings, and they're now ready to be repotted. You can see these plants are already callus off, so callus off there. So first, let's repot our Adolphie. All right, so maybe we should remove this. All right, so here. And just a reminder guys, once you're done repotting your cuttings, you have to make sure that it will take you a week, a complete 1 week, before you will place water on your plant. This is to prevent your plant from getting rotted, or to prevent it from being rotted. So based on what I read, or what I have previously read about this cocoa peat, this is very ideal when using for planting or replanting your succulents. Reason being, because with this you have the guarantee that you will have a much faster evaporation process, and it will be easily for your water to be condensed, and easily for your water to spread, and that will prevent your plant to get rotted. So almost there. All right. Okay. So, we're done. Just remember, do not water your plants yet for 1 week after repotting, or repotting rather. This will prevent your plant to get rot. So we're now done with Adolphie. Now next, our ghost plant. Oh, sorry. So as you guys can see, there's a struggle. Really struggle. Maybe it's better off if I place it in the corner. Oops. Alright, so we're all set. So that's it for today. Our Adolphie and Ghost Plant is now finished for repotting. So we have to wait for at least 7 total of days before you put water. And whenever you place water, you use baby drops like the one you use normally with tiki tiki. So the first week you will only place at least 5 ml. The second week you can now use 10 ml. But placing water would really take to finish, or would really require you to do it at least just once a week. So these are like the kind of plants that do not require too many water, and so that you will not over drown them, or to drown over, not to, for it to avoid to drown them anyways. All right, so thank you so much again for watching my YouTube channel. So please hit the bell icon, the subscribe button, so you'll have all the updates that I have, so all the things that I do with my succulents. Thank you so much. Please hit the bell icon, and have a great day. Goodbye.